Right, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another POV video. It's in a while, just haven't been out in all honesty, and this one's quite a quick one as well in comparison. All it was, I was away for the weekend for a football tournament at a caravan site, and the caravan site at the theme park, so I took the GoPro, got the camera ready and went out. Obviously there's not much interaction with me, just because obviously I've got the family with me. I'm just enjoying the moment, and that's another reason why it's pretty short. I had it in my head that I'd be making a POV of the theme park. There's a zoo there, and in all honesty, I was just enjoying the weather, enjoying the family. I'd done this on the first day, and I didn't want to pick the camera back up really after that. So it is a short one, but it is okay. It is a really good one. Obviously just after some of the rides and a few portrait style pictures as well. Anyway, if you do like it, hit the like button for me. Subscribe for more POV videos. I'm going to bring many of them to the channel over the next few months. And yeah, enjoy. That? Get out the way. Don't know if I got that then. Oh, look at the swings there. Don't know if I'll get a good focus on it. Oh yeah, the boys are going on this. My kids are going on this ride, so we'll get them coming down here. They'll try and get the Runaway Mine Train sign in as well, somehow.
For your safety, you can be seated and keep your arms and legs inside the carriage.
Wonder if that'll get a good focus. Where is he? I've just seen him. Oh, there he is. Hello! Oh, the camera. No way. Albie! Oh, you missed it. Yeah. Never know, might have got one.
It's like that, we like holding on more with his hand up.
Be a good shot if the roller coaster was in it as well. See how that turns out. You've caught the sun, you haven't you? Oh, look at the roller coaster over there. We're swaying a little bit here, aren't we? Oh, look at that. Go, mate, sorry, yeah, nice one.
A few moments later.
Oh no. Thank you. We're waiting for about 10 minutes of that. Oh. That was not sure if I got that alright. Where are they gone now? Dino Twistosaurus. They never got that.
I don't know, I think Tom's been it, like, because he's only going to drop it.